Hey everybody, and welcome to session 6 of web design. So we've got 3 weeks left, and during the 2 weeks of session 6, your main focus should be on building your website and publishing it. So I know I've given you a lot of time to do that already, but I don't want you to think that you're done just if you've met the minimum. Be sure you push yourself to make as good of a website as you can. And then once you have published it and you've produced it and you've published it, then please go to the final project matrix, and in the column, there's a column there, the A9, A10 published website link column. Please provide a link to your final website there, and that will make it really easy for all of us to check out what you've done, so that when in the final session, session 7, we are peer evaluating each other's sites, it's really easy to find them there. So that's it for session 6. It's a pretty simple design. You're kind of working solo to get these sites finalized and published. I used to use the UWG web space all the time. I mean, I used it on a nearly daily basis for about 6 years, and then I stopped all of a sudden. And I used it to publish streaming videos, and then I just switched over to YouTube, so I don't use it quite so much. I haven't used it for 2 years, but I'm very confident I can figure out how to use it again. But I've heard a rumor that if you want to use the UWG web space, that people had trouble with it in the fall. So if you plan on using that, go ahead and contact me, let me know, and I will try to get mine up and running again, see if I can figure out how to make it work, see if the rumors are true that it's hard to use, and I think that I can help you figure it out. I don't have a tutorial on it right now, so just let me know if you need help with that, if that's a concern for you. I would like for you to use that space if that's a resource you're interested in using. That will be appropriate. Using the UWG web space is appropriate if you are using a tool like Dreamweaver or Expressions Web to build your website. You probably don't need to use that web space if you're using a templated site such as Weebly, which automatically will allow you to publish on Weebly.com. Okay, all right guys, that's it for introducing session 6. Nice and brief. Let me know if you need anything. You guys are pretty independent learners, I've noticed, but don't hesitate to text me, call, be a squeaky wheel. There are many channels, and sometimes there's so many channels I get distracted from them, so don't feel like you're putting me out to call me. We're at the end of the semester. It's important that you get your work in and that you feel confident that you're going to be okay. All right, thanks.